Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can actually download the app from the Microsoft Store, right? So if you notice right here in the taskbar, this is the Microsoft Store. I can come all the way right here to the startup menu, and there you go. Also, it's Microsoft Store right over here. So we're going to click on it like that. If you notice, it's actually showing up here. So if you notice to the left right here, this is home. This is the home page, apps, game, and movie. So if I click on apps, notice it bring up all of these sections here. If I click on game, this is what come up, and this is movie. But I want to download the app. Well, I can download the app. I can click back over here to app. You notice it show here. So if I come all the way here, I have a scroll bar right here. I can put it in here. I'm gonna take time and scroll down. So these are some apps. Definitely, if you notice here, it shows some free apps right here, like Netflix and all of that. So I'm gonna scroll down some more. All right, let me take a look at time and scroll along that I can actually see some more. All right, and if you notice, right, you have both page one right here, you can see up to 30 right here, 30,000 from 69 right there. So that's a good app that can actually move it. But if you notice, this is self-is Canva, I show for free, right? So in order for me to download Canva, I'm going to click on it. So while I click on Canva right here, notice this is what come up over here. So I show right here immediately that I can actually install. So when I click on install right here, if you notice, it's showing it's a download. So far, it's actually showing it's actually downloading. Very important here. Right, so it's actually downloading here so far. Very important. So there's a few local section left right here. So 104, 111 right here. Right, it's actually soon download and you see exactly how it look like when it actually download. So that's something that I want to pay close attention to. If you notice right here, you see exactly how it look like and all of that. So this is one of the way you can actually download a free app definitely from the Microsoft Store, right? Here to show that it actually provide updates and all of that. So very important here with this particular section here. And if I come right here at the startup menu and I click here, right? If you notice right here, show that it's actually downloaded already. So this itself here is right there, right? So right, you can come right here and close it. So you notice, there you go. It shows exactly on my desktop right here. And if I right click on it and press open here, you will see exactly what it looks like. All right. So notice right here, show up here someone login was sign in. Right here, get started with Canva. Right here, show that I can use my Google account, can do Facebook. I sign up for email right here, just the same. So that's one way we can actually download an app, definitely from Microsoft Store. So if you have learned something from this video, just remember to share it with your friend and see you in the next